Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad E14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your screen is cracked, you may notice that it affects your ability to use the device effectively. This damage can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left untreated, a cracked screen can lead to further issues, such as display problems or even damage to internal components over time. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and of course, a replacement screen for your Lenovo ThinkPad E14. First, make sure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. To begin, we need to safely open the device. Start by removing any screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws as you remove them. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the screen connector. This is usually found near the hinge area. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently lifting the connector. Now, to remove the cracked screen, you will need to unscrew the hinges that secure it to the laptop. These screws are typically small, so be cautious when removing them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the hinges are removed, you can gently lift the screen away from the frame. Make sure to disconnect any additional cables that may still be attached to the screen. With the old screen removed, take your new replacement screen and connect it, ensuring each cable is securely fastened. Reattach the hinges using the same screws you removed earlier, applying just enough force to secure them without over-tightening. Now, before closing the back panel, do a quick check to ensure that everything is connected properly. Turn your device on to test the new screen. If it powers up without any issues, you're good to go. Once confirmed, you can place the back panel back on, aligning it carefully, and then reinsert the screws to secure it. Finally, ensure everything is tight and in place. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider investing in a screen protector or a sturdy case for your Lenovo ThinkPad E14. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of the device and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.